So we have the chicken on the plate with some of the stuffing inside it, the cheese on top, and then a side of the dressing. And I'll usually just serve this with a salad or something simple on the side. To top it, you're just going to take a spoonful or so of that rich and creamy sauce with the prosciutto, the wine, the butter. I'm just going to spread it over top of the chicken. Go back in there, get just a little bit more of the juice and drizzle it over just to moisten it up. And the last thing we're going to do is take the rest of that fennel frond we have left over and just snip it. We're going to put it on the chicken and put it on the dressing and on the plate just to brighten up that plate. I think something green on a plate always makes everything look fresh. We'll just move it around. That's another thing to keep in mind, even when you're just cooking at home for your spouse or your significant other or your kids, doing anything like this to liven it up makes it look like a fancy dinner meal. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make my chicken with sausage and ciabatta stuffing with the side of dressing. And I look forward to showing you how to make more fun and easy, rich dishes at home again. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Leah Schaefer.